it's dumb, I know, but I do it anyway. You probably don't even give a damn. Does the moon still warm your face at night? Do the stars still hit your chest just right? 'Cause they don't do shit for mine. We tried to piece our love like broken glass, but love just slipped right through the cracks. I'm stuck inside the silence we made, still choking on the words we never said. There's so much pain, it's tearing me apart, like we were doomed right from the start. This burn still lingers, this wound won't heal. Your ghost still lives in everything I feel.
So how the hell are you? No, don't ask me. I'm still not fine. You know I miss your crooked smile, still wish I could rewind. But you've got your world now, and I've got mine. I wasn't ready to say goodbye.
If I could bend the clock, slow it down, I'd trace us back to that breaking sound, to every laugh we swore would last. Every moment you pulled me close, every promise whispered like a ghost. I'd relive the fall just to feel that crash. There's so much pain, it's tearing me apart, like we were doomed right from the start. This burn still lingers, this wound won't heal. Your ghost still lives in everything I feel.
Even if you've moved on clean, even if I'm just some dream, I still see us in every line I write, and that feels so goddamn right and wrong. So here it is, I'm letting go. But hell, I still fucking love you.
It fucking hurts.